Hi, Lipia here again, and this week I've been learning the hymn Nearer My God to Thee. You might remember this hymn from the scene in Titanic when Titanic started to sink and the quartet started playing. Um, but it's a really beautiful hymn, and if you look at the words, it's actually written against the passage where Jacob saw the ladder and the angels going up and down, and so that's what the words are about. But anyways, the hymn is in the key of C, and just need three chords. The three very simple chords: C major, F major, G major. Let's play through the first verse once through. So this hymn is in double or quadruple time, so we're going to be playing two strums for each chord symbol that you see on the song sheet. So let's get started. Nearer, my God, to thee, nearer to thee. Yield though it be a cross that raiseth me, still, oh, my song would be nearer, my God, to thee, nearer, my God, to thee, nearer to thee. Now grab a song sheet and we'll play through all five verses once through. Nearer, my God, to thee, nearer to thee. Yield though it be a cross that raiseth me, still, all my song would be nearer, my God, to thee, was Nearer My God to Thee. Again, beautiful hymn, and requiring just three simple chords. So hope you enjoy learning that as much as I did. See you next time.